So coming to the next topic, after substitution, we need to end up with a transposition. So these two topics which are already been instructed to you. Substitution is a replacement, transposition is changing the values. Okay. So suppose we have a first letter, the first letter will go to last letter will come to the first. So like that, the values will be jumbled up. So when the values are jumbled up, that method is known as transpositional ciphers. Okay. In transpositional ciphers, we have two methods. Both the methods are very simple. Okay. There is no much calculations here. Just randomization of the characters. Okay. There are some methods we need to follow. Okay. So the first method is keyless transposition. Second method is keyed transposition. So keyless transposition involves no key value. There won't be any cipher text. Sorry, there won't be any cipher key actually. There won't be any secret keys. So when we have a keyless transposition, we are going to make some follows. Okay. So methods we need to follow here. So the first method is rel fence. Okay. So the method which comes under keyless transposition, the method name is rel fence. It looks very fun for you because the method, the name itself is a very, it is not a very complex thing. Okay, very simple manner they have explained here. What is rel fence? You might have seen how the fencing will be done. So it is being done through in a zigzag manner. Okay, the same way the characters are arranged in a zigzag manner, just like a rel fence. Okay, so now the values which will be arranged in a rel fence, then we need to select the elements in a row wise. So for that one example I will give you, we have one plain text. Okay, let me take a plain text and that I am represented as PT. Okay, I'll write some word here, or else some simple words let me consider here, and let me not go for a bigger one. Some familiar. Okay, so we have one statement here, meet me at the park. Okay, actually this is a plain text. Now we want to convert this plain text to cipher text with the method of what? What is the method we are following here? Keyless transposition. What is keyless? We should encrypt the plain text without using the key value. Okay, for that we have what is plain text, a very bigger one. Okay, this also comes under what here? Mono alphabetic. So mono alphabetic only we need to consider here. So first, the method is you need to write the first character in a first level, second character in a level 2. So this I will name it as level 1, this I will name it as level 2. Okay. So M I have written here. So the next character E I have written in a level 2. Third character we should write it in level 1. Same way. Okay, one in level 1, another in level 2. So one by one we should keep on writing just like a fence. T I will write here. Next character is M. Next character is E. Again we have a next character as A. Again we have a next character as T. Again we have the same character T. Again we have a H. Okay. Again we have E. Same way you just write everything here, A, R, K. Now you understood? See here how the characters are arranged here. I'll just write the arrow marks. Then you will understand how these characters are arranged. There is some organized manner. Okay? So arrangement has been done in a very particular method. Here everything is planned, but attackers should not come to know what is the method we have used. So just like a rel fence is a simple example, like this we have multiple n number of methods, okay, procedures. So if the attacker comes to know what is the procedure, then he can hack the values. Otherwise he cannot predict what is the character itself. Okay. So now these words are arranged. How it is being enciphered? It is being ciphered texted. First we need to select the first level values. The values are M, E, M, A, T, E, A, K. Okay, just don't leave any space. Okay, without leaving any space, continue with the level 2 also. E, T, E, again T, H, statement here. What is this statement? This is the same statement which I have written on top. So this text is called as what? Cipher text. Got understood? So if you read this, no one can understand because this is a encrypted data. Which is plain text now? This is plain text. Now, if you want to convert this into plain text, what you should do? Same method. Okay? Again, reverse the process, then you will get the value called as plain text. Okay? So this entire original text can be replaced. But this method is not on substitution. This method is on transposition. Understood? So next we have another method called as key transposition. Next we have key transposition. In keyless we have seen how to make a rail-based method. Okay, so it is just like a zigzag. In key transposition we have one method known as columnar method. So we need to consider everything with the columns, but you need to consider here what is that? Columnar method is processed with the key value. Okay, there will be one key which is shared among sender and receiver. Through that key value only we need to take encryption and we need to go for a decryption also. Okay, so we have got only encryption method here. So decryption method is just a reverse process. So here on plain text they have given, please transfer $1 million to Swiss account. Okay, it is a very confidential message where sender is instructing the receiver, where the receiver should transfer the amount to the sender. So this has to be encrypted. Okay, how to do encryption? So we are going to follow the method called as columnar method. So the key value what they have given is mega. Okay, so now some number I have written here. The numbers are just a convention method of alphabets. So here M is of 7. Actually here A, B, C they have taken, but they are starting with a value 1, because if you observe here A is having a value 1. It is not starting from 0. Please be very careful here. These are all the smaller things, you will get confused. Okay, so in multiplicative, additive and affine ciphers, we should consider the A value starting from 0. But in columnar method, we have to consider the A value starting from 1, not from 0. So here M value is 7, E is 4, okay, G is 5, A is 1. So likewise the values will keep on fluctuating here. Okay, so let me mention the equation here. So I'll write the key value clearly: M E G K B U C A. Okay, so if you want you can mention the values also. A is 1, okay, M 7, 4, 5, then 2, 8, 3, 6. Okay, you should write like this, or else you can write it in a tabular form also. You can mention the column wise also. Okay, here what is the plain text they have given? This plain text you need to arrange in a character wise. Okay, column wise you need to arrange there. So here first write in the same way: P L E A S E. Please transfer, T R A N S F E R, transfer million, M I L L I O N, million, dollar, D O L L A R, dollar, to T O S W I S S, to Swiss account, A C C O U N, okay, T U right here, account. Now these empty spaces should be filled up. Okay, you should not leave these empty spaces. If you fill the empty spaces, how will you fill it with the empty spaces? How the receiver will come to know? It is a very simple thing. Fill it with ABCD. Okay, just in a sequential method: A B C D E F G. How much ever the complete row will be allocated, the complete things should be filled up. So we have got filled up with up to G. Now we have got this columnar things here. Just draw the columns so that you will not get confused while solving the problem. Okay, now I think you have understood the column wise values. What is your duty now? If you want to convert this into ciphertext, just select the columns. What is the first column we have got here? So we have got the first column as let CT. CT stands for ciphertext. So just repeat here: A P A L L S T. This is first column. Don't give any space. Again, continue with another second column: L N L A S A. Okay. Again, we have our third column: E S I R A B. Again, A F O T C D S E N O C D. Again, E R D S O E T N O W U F. Again, R I L I N G. Can you understand anything with this clear cut of a statement? We cannot predict what is the plain text. Only if you replace with the key value megabug, then only you can extract. Otherwise, it is impossible to extract what is the plain text. The actual plain text is this. Ciphertext we got this as some random numbers. Everything is transposition here. There is no substitution. Understood? So these problems you practice. Okay, same problem you take, practice it and send me now. Teach me the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.